Yo, what's up, guys? Cannabis Grow Guide here. This is episode 2. I just wanted to show you guys another update on the topping progress since last time. And the new tops came in nice and healthy, I mean. Nice color. The 2 branches that I topped as well are coming in. Now, I don't know if they're actually going to be tops because they're branches. But at least they'll get more light and it'll look more symmetrical. You can see nice structure, nice little Y shape on there. And check the other one. A little update on this one. I transplanted it into a new 3-gallon pot. I got a little tray under there, and this is actually a recycling bin lid. You can pick them up at Canadian Tire, like $7. But yeah, this is a good way to use a tray instead of buying one on Amazon. They're pretty expensive. And yeah, that one's doing pretty good. Fed it some nutrients. I'll try to focus in on that one. There we go. But yeah, they're both doing pretty good. Didn't have too much else for this video. It's just more of an update. Wanted you guys to see how far they were going along. This is only a few days too since the last video. This isn't like a week later. This is like literally I filmed the last video like a few days ago, like 3 days ago I think. And this is how much they've grown. This one grew a lot. Surprising. Not really surprising, but it seemed like it was slowing down a bit after I topped it, but now it's back to normal speed. And that one's getting its color back to a nice green. It was sort of getting a bit yellow, but it was starting to get root bound, so that's why I transplanted it. And the color came back nice. But yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, thumbs up, and a comment. And peace out.